Hello students, the given question is from test series 3 subject analog from the chapter operational amplifier and its application. Question is of 1 marks question. Assuming an ideal op amp, we need to calculate the output voltage, that is V0. This is the given circuit. It is having two op amps, op amp 1 and op amp 2. In op amp 1, the negative terminal of this op amp, it is connected with two resistance, that is 10 kilo ohms, and serially it is connected with one more resistance. The value of this resistance is 20 kilo ohms, and the positive terminal of this op amp, it is connected with one more resistance. The value is having 10 kilo ohms. Then coming for op amp 2, in this op amp the negative terminal is connected with two resistance serially, that is 10 kilo ohms and 30 kilo ohms, and positive terminal of this is connected with 10 kilo ohms and another end is grounded. The both op amp 1 and op amp 2 are connected with an input voltage, that is Vi is 10 millivolts. The output of this op amp 1, it is having positive terminal, this will call it as Va, and op amp 2, the output of this will call it as VB. We need to calculate the output voltage across this op amp 1 and op amp 2. The options are A is 30 millivolts and B is minus 30 millivolts and C is 0 and D is 60 millivolts. Now we learned a little bit basic concept of inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. Let us come for inverting amplifier. It is having op amp, the negative terminal it is connected with through resistance serially, that is Rin and Rf, and positive terminal is grounded. Whereas in non-inverting amplifier, the positive terminal it is connected with input voltage and negative terminal is connected with two resistance, that is serially R1 and R2, and this is the output. From inverting amplifier, the Vout value is Vout is equal to minus Rf divided by Rin into Vin, whereas for non-inverting amplifier, the output voltage, that is V0 is equal to Vin into 1 plus R2 divided by R1. Applying these two concepts, that is inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier, to the given circuit. So the output voltage, that is Va is equal to Vi plus 20k divided by 10k. This is for non-inverting amplifier. So for simplifying this, we will get 3 Vi. Vi value is given in the question, that is in the circuits. So final value will be 30 millivolts. Then we will calculate the value for the op amp 2, that is Vb is equal to Vi minus 30k divided by 10k. It will be minus 30 millivolts for the inverting amplifier. So therefore the final value, that is output voltage, that is V0 is equal to Va minus Vb. Va is 30 millivolts and Vb is minus 30 millivolts. So final value, that is V0 is 60 millivolts. Hence this final value, that is 60 millivolts, it is matching with option D. So option D is the correct one. From this question, we learned the basic concept of what is inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier, and how this will get the equation, that is V0 Vout, and applying these two concepts for the given circuits. From this we calculate the output voltage, that is V0. Thank you.